morning, everyone. It is Wednesday. I just woke up, so beautiful morning face for you. And it is a wedding week. My only wedding of 2020. And also the first one. First last. But wedding weeks are usually a little crazy. Hence my morning appearance. Very all-consuming, full focus on the wedding. So I have to go to Home Depot this morning, but I wanted to share my little morning routine with you guys before I get the day started. I did it a little differently this morning. I got into my clothes that I'm gonna wear out. Normally I get right up in my pajamas and come downstairs to do my little mini morning routine. And this was actually created, I did maybe back in May, the Miracle Morning, which I really enjoyed. However, it was a little lengthy. So I've really consolidated it down just to journaling. And that is what I do every morning. So first up, I have a cup of coffee. You can kind of see in the background here. My two go-to are the salted caramel or the Wegmans toasted coconut. And I do put a little bit of the pumpkin pie creamer in it sometimes. Mostly when I have the salted caramel. Then I come out to our little patio. Some of these pillows are in disarray from yesterday. Then I get my candles lit out here. Look, a hidden Mickey. This is actually a candle from Aldi. It's a pumpkin macaron. Phil just says it smells like cinnamon. I tend to agree with that statement. This one is from Wegmans. It's a citronella candle. And then this is from my dad. It's actually, I believe, my grandfather's. It's an ashtray. So it's out here in case Phil wants to smoke a cigar. But I don't know if he would even use that ashtray because he's very sentimental. So he'd probably bring out his own. All right, and then I have my notebook where I'm gonna journal. So this is what I do as a layout. I write the date and then I list 5 things that I am grateful for. And then I list 5 things that I am going to complete today. And then I usually have some sort of mantra, or really most of the time it's lyrics to a song that I want to be mindful of. But focus and finish is really my goal today. So that's going to be my little mantra for today. So there it is, my little morning routine. And I get to sit out here and enjoy nature. Hi friends, I took a little video yesterday and today of some things I was working on for this wedding this weekend. The first one is some difficulties I had with the signs that I'm making for the wedding using the Cricut. I'll show you what I took, but I really got frustrated in the end, so it didn't take a lot, I don't think. But I'll put that in right here. I'll show you some of the signs when I take some video of the wedding space tomorrow. And then I also, because I had such difficulty with the Cricut machine, basically the vinyl that I had wasn't adhering very well, and then also the font that was selected was so intricate and it wasn't working properly. It was just so tiny, it kept ripping. The Cricut wasn't cutting the font that I wanted. It was very small on this one sign, so I had to use a different font, which is not ideal, but there was no really other way for me to execute it to look, you know, like this similar vinyl. With that, on this palette board that we were using, it was not sticking at all, so I had to actually hand write it, which is normally how I would do a sign previously. I'm gonna be honest, it took about the same time to do the handwriting versus the Cricut machine. The Cricut looks better for sure because it's perfectly cut, but in terms of like speed of getting things done, I mean, they're both about the same. So I will show you the process of me putting together the palette sign, which I had to hand do right here. With Phil, he's helping me. We are going to the wedding venue that I am been planning this wedding for. It is going to be a cold one tomorrow, and they want to have dinner outside. They do have a beautiful barn, but the space is known for having some beautiful bistro lights outside, and they just want to have it outside. It is gonna be like 40 degrees out though. It's gone up a little. I think it said the high during the time of the wedding is gonna be 54, and then it'll go down to about 42. So it will get a little chilly, hence why we're here. We kind of searched up and down to get as many heaters as possible, because they are going to be outside, and this company that had 6 of them was not able to deliver. So we just picked them up, and I am so grateful that Phil is helping me because I am not comfortable driving a 15-foot box truck, especially now there's gasoline in the back too. And we just left the place and the guy was like,
propane.
It's like, don't.
It's liquid propane.
Yeah, it's liquid propane. I don't know what the difference between that and gas is, but Phil's embarrassed that I just said that out loud. But the guy was like, don't blow up. Thanks. Hello friends, it is Pauline from the future, and I want to just share with you some clips from the wedding I did. I will pop them in right here. Wanted to show you guys the pretty flowers. Look at, and these are the bridesmaids flowers. Then we have the little flower girl basket. We'll give her petals later. And the boutonnieres. And this is the bride's bouquet. Also, this is the place where they're gonna take pictures. This is at Woodcliff Hotel. It's actually right behind us, but look at this view. can actually see Rochester over there. And that triangle kind of looking building next to the tallest one. That's where Phil and I got married. We had our reception there. Well, I think this whole week was kind of a weird week, and that's how it always is when it's an event week. My life is just taken over by the event and other work, and I don't get to do things like vlog. Hence the career change, one of many reasons. Don't get me wrong, I love doing events and I love creating something beautiful, but I am also really excited to be on this kind of new path with my marketing business. I really love what I'm doing for businesses and helping them keep their business polished and grow their business. It's very rewarding. And I also love being on YouTube, and I get that opportunity in doing marketing as my work. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment below, tell me what was your favorite part about our week this week. And as always, if you enjoyed this content and you aren't already subscribed, we would love for you to join our Mouse and Mermaid family. We do in-park vlogs, pin videos, weekly vlogs like you just watched, and it's just a lot of fun. So I would love for you to join in. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Peace, love, and kwaherini.